Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to turn on and turn off 5G on your iPhone 14. As you know, 5G isn't available everywhere. So if you have turned off 5G on your iPhone 14, then it will always look for frequencies which have the 5G symbol in it, or the 5G frequency. So it keeps on searching and searching and searching, and that can lead to battery drain. So if you know that you are in a place where 5G isn't available, then you can turn it off so it doesn't search for it. And how you can do this, I will show you now. We go to the settings, and when you are in your settings, we go here to mobile data. I click on it, and when you are in your mobile data, you have the mobile data options where it says roaming off, and you click on it and you can see here voice and data, and at this moment it's 5G automatic. So let's click on it and let's see what does it mean. 5G on uses 5G whenever it is available, even when it may reduce battery life. 5G auto uses 5G only when it will not significantly reduce battery life. And LTE doesn't use 5G even if it is available. All right, so if you know that you are in a place where 5G isn't available and you have only LTE, just turn on LTE. And if you know, okay, I want to use 5G automatically when it's not draining my battery, then you can use 5G auto. I wouldn't recommend to use 5G on because it may reduce your battery life. So you can switch between 5G auto and the LTE option. Alright, I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye!